Hey, this is Damon, and welcome to the review of Video Remix. I'm buying this, and I wanted to go through the actual walkthrough. And what I'm doing is I'll go through the actual upsells and kind of give you an idea whether or not you need it. This is from the same group that did DropMock, Lee Pennington and his team. This is an incredible program. I've already had the beta copy, and I've been practicing with it. And you're going to see it's a lot of neat emails coming out from me in the next few days and weeks. But it allows you to personalize videos with the person's name that you're emailing to. And this is really exciting. This is a lot like VidGeos, but this actually takes YouTube videos or videos that you have. So you don't have to use a template or a model inside of like VidGeos. It does give you the ability with custom mock-ups to do your own personalization, and it puts it into your email for you. So there's no conversion or anything like that. So let's go through the purchase process. So you can read the sales letter. I've already been through the sales letter. I'm going to go down to the actual purchase page, and I'm going to get the business level, which is 50 projects. And after launch, it's going to be $67. So today you can save, it's only $57. So I'll put my email and everything in here and go ahead and purchase the Personalizer business model.
You are now.
Okay, this is the monthly templates, and the monthly club on DropMock has turned out to be a really good investment for me because the templates that they come out with every month, the first 2 months, they're incredible. They're very professional, so I expect the same from Lee's group on the Personalizer. So the monthly templates, the Pro Features, Enterprise Suite, let's go down and see how much it is. And 30 bonus done for you lower thirds. These are important because they'll overlay your YouTube videos. And these are just some ready-made ones. So take a look at the sneak peek here, and I'm going to add to my purchase. And I'm going to see, look at how some of these are really cool looking videos, overlays. And that's really all you need is just a quick overlay to get the person's attention. That's why you see it on movies. That's why you see it on TV all the time, are these overlays with the lower thirds like here. And so I'm going to go ahead and add this template. Now, the neat thing with Lee's group on Lead 7 is if you don't like the template club, just cancel it. But I always go with the first month just to see what the monthly bonuses are. There are some groups that I've been members of that the templates were just terrible, and I canceled immediately. In fact, I think one of them was one of the guys that's no longer doing business that we've had a Facebook group on. So I'm going to go down here and go ahead and turn on the Personalizer monthly, and I'm going to get the enterprise level. See all the different things that you can do with it. It's incredible. And right now it's only $35 per month. So I'm going to go ahead and get that. Okay, now this is the second upsell, and this is a really cool deal that they're doing here. So watch the video, and this is personalization training and the different strategies that you can use. I'm getting this just to learn more about what's going on and how I can add to my own email and affiliate marketing campaigns. And the neat thing here is I know that Lead 7 and Lee Pennington, they do a great job of strategy training. So not only is it the button pushing, but it's the 30,000 foot level. And that's what makes for a really good software, is if you have the strategy to go with how to use the software. So definitely take a look at this. This is highly recommended. I'm going to go ahead and buy this too. So I think you would really enjoy it. I mean, I know it's more training and sometimes we fill our brains, but I do a lot of affiliate marketing. I still do a lot of local marketing, and this is just a great little strategy session right here. It's right now it's $87, and hopefully you get it during the launch pricing. Okay, then once you're in, once you finish your purchase, then you'll just click Get Access, and they're going to give you a tutorial here, and you want to watch the tutorial. It will get you up to speed very quickly. Now I'm going to skip through this. I've already watched it once. So here's some of the templates right here. And I'm just going to go into, let's just pick one here. What this means on the Personalizer is to take a YouTube video or a Vimeo video and personalize it with these mock-ups or with these layovers or these lower thirds. And there's some custom field names that you can use along with the standard field names that most email responders use. So anyway, I'm going to just scroll through here, and I think I did, just going to kind of show you what all they have here. There's tons of templates that you can use. And I bought the upsell, so that's why I'm seeing a lot of these already. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here and look at my projects, and I did one already. Now the cool thing, this is actually a timeline editor, and it's not as sophisticated as Camtasia or Adobe Premiere or anything like that, but it is a very fast little timeline editor. Hopefully your YouTube video is already done, or the video that you're using or copying is already done, and you can just lay things over. So anyway, I'm going to go in and edit it. And it runs HTML5, so it's going to be very fast to load. So here's the timeline. I'll just kind of show you. This is the lower layer, which is the actual video. You would paste your video right in here, and that's what happened as video came in, and I just dragged it over here. And then I went, this is what the default was. So I went in and just changed some copy, and I highlighted the box, changed the copy, and then this is where I'm putting in my personalization. So to do that, you would just simply hit personalize. And these are the personalizers that you can put in there. So I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to fix that back up. And so anyway, each of these layers, you can kind of move around like that. And the cool thing is you can do this in Usign and bring them over in Usign. So you can actually copy images from Usign. It has a cool masking feature. This is what I really like. And you could put a custom field name in here, a personalizer in here as well. So you could have like maybe the company name or the state that they live in. So what I did was I did a, on this one here, you just highlight it and you can change the text. Of course, you can personalize it. The defaults on the company field name is surf. And here's some advanced settings. So you can just kind of play around with it. It's got several elements that you can put in there. Pop-ups, images, personalized images, loops. You can actually do a loop of a certain section if you want to do that. And you can also put some skips in there. And so anyway, I'm going to scroll over here. And right here, I'm going to put in, don't try this in whatever city they're living in. So it would pull in the geo city or the geo country from your autoresponder. And so this is just pretty cool because it lays on top of the YouTube video, and it gets rid of all the annotation and the cards and everything else that you would put in, and the ads. It gets rid of the ads completely in there. So the only thing you'll see is that YouTube credit. And then here you can do a skip. So if you want to do a skip, you can skip 5 seconds, however long you want. You can alter it right here, or you can adjust it right here. So you can see it has a lot of timeline features. And then if you want to go back to that original video, is you can shorten the video just by moving the sliders, or if you want to be more precise, you can just click that on. You can turn the video on, off, or you can do on, off on the audio. So maybe you have an audio track you want from another one to overlay on top of a video. and there's the volume, and the clip title pulls it in from YouTube. So really that's all you have to do. And then you hit save, and then you're ready to produce. And you can go directly into email autoresponder campaigns. They've got a whole bunch of them set up. You can go into lead pages, WordPress, Optimize Press, and then others. And these are just, if you decide on WordPress, this is the iframe you paste in there. And they have real good getting started videos right here to show you the exact steps you'll need. So anyway, I'm going to go straight into an email. I'll hit autoplay, hit next, and I'm going to choose get response. Okay, so you would click this link right here, and you would copy it into your autoresponder. So just to show you what it does is I've copied it here, and I've gone in and I've changed the first name to Damon, the GeoCity to Dallas, and the company, I'm just going to call it Surf. That's the name of my new company here. So let's see what it looks like. I'm just going to hit refresh, but this is the actual link that you would drop in to, actually, this is the link that you're going to drop into your email. And they have some real good training videos on how to do this in case if you want to go step by step on it. See, there's my first name. And your email responder would automatically put that in there for you. And here's the mask out right here. I think that's a cool effect. And then I'm going to show you a pop-up. Don't try this in Dallas. So it's picking up their city off the autoresponder. And then I've got a couple skips in here. Anyway, this is a pretty cool little, it's about a minute 30, minute 20. You saw one of the skips right there. So that's pretty cool. You can just take any YouTube video and you just simply, the only thing that you have to do here is on media is just paste it right in here. You could put a SoundCloud, you could put a clip in there, a Vimeo, any HTML5 media, or even just an image link. So it's pretty cool. I like it. Hope you like it too. And check out the bonuses that you're going to get below. And they'll be on your checkout page. And those are exclusive VidPenguin bonuses. So this is Damon Nelson with VidPenguin, and hope you like this little review of Video Remix, the Personalizer version.